Yeah, I'm looking at that bird. Well, I think it's a dove perched there right outside the church door. Second week in a row. Right in there. Guess he's become a real homeboy. Actually, I think it's a female, probably, and just nesting. Probably gonna have some eggs there. I don't think that's such a great place to have to nest. I mean, if I were up here and building a nest, I don't know whether I would choose that spot. One thing, there's a lot of noise here. People rummaging around. Yeah, I don't think that's such a great place. But second week in a row. Bet it's been here all week, probably. Tweet, tweet.